This is the first log of the Sony 12-14mm f2.8 lens, the widest of the lot, the widest of the wide. As they say, this is the widest f2.8 full frame zoom lens. Yeah, it's really easy to check that this claim is real. It's not like they got the fastest AF speed, that if really whatever they say. Now this is actually the widest, because before this you have to get, if you want a Sony lens, it has to be f4, 12-24mm f4, or you can get a Sigma f2.8, but it starts from 14mm. And then if you even compare to Nikon and Canon, yeah, none of those goes near this 12-14mm, especially if you compare this to the Sigma. This is like, yeah, 2 more millimeters wider than you, f2.8. Take that, Sigma, we can do that as well. Whoa. Now this is G master lens. It means that it's master of good. It's better than good, better than G, it's gooder than good. Actually, recently someone just told me that he can't tell from the lens outside is it a G or G master because they both got a G on it. PSA, when it's G master, is orange. Good that they call it G master and G, not G slave, or someone can write another blog post about it. But yeah, this is it. It got a fixed aperture, not aperture, fixed, it is fixed aperture. I mean, it's constant aperture, not fixed. It got a fixed lens hood. This is that kind of lens that you can't put a filter in front. But this one, you can put a filter at the back, and it comes with a little tool. It comes with a little plastic thing, so you can cut your filter for putting it at the back. It's really a large aperture lens. Even at 14mm, you got this blurry background thing. And of course, you can go to 12mm and look at the bokeh. It's really nice, I think. What do you think? But this is what you expect, paying so much for a G master lens, isn't it? The lens itself is actually really simple. It's not too much things on the lens. You got a button that you can customize it. It's a stop AF button, or you can customize it AF and MF switch, which you really need that because a lot of Sony camera doesn't have it on the body. I don't know why. I really want one. Focus, zoom. Now the focus is linear focus as well, and also focusing is internal, that you can't see any lens outside moving in and out. And zoom is it's kind of internal zoom as well, because it don't change the overall length, because it's zoom within the fixed lens hood. Let me just find an excuse to look at the bokeh again. If you are not used to ultra wide angle lens like me, you might be surprised that you really have to get quite close. And about the front element, this really huge front element, it is the largest XA element, the extreme spherical element, the biggest Sony have ever done. And it got a loads of stuff that you expect from G master lens. It got 3 XA element, the extreme spherical element. It got fluorine coating, repel water and oil. It got nano AR coating to reduce flare and ghosting. It got super ED element and ED element. What is ED? Extra low dispersion to fight color fringing. All this XAXD whatever translate to. Now that's not surprise you will get vignetting, the dark corners, for ultra wide angle like this. Funny thing is, even if I turn on and off the compensation, I don't see much difference. Maybe the lens is just too new. Maybe there will be firmware updates for all the Sony cameras, although you only have to stop down one stop to F4 and it disappears. Looking at corner sharpness, at wide open it's still a little bit not sharp. For this you have to stop down 2 stops to f5.6 for it to be sharp again. One thing it do really well is that I can't find any color fringing at all. Even with all the digital compensation cheating thing turns off. Well, this is not a super heavy lens, but I can't. Oh shit. Oh. What the hell? Oh, the sticker's still on. I know the Air 2 is out, don't have to do that. No, I'm sure the owner don't want this to happen. But I'm going to pick it up. I'm not going to leave it here, it's going to pollute the area. Maybe try to find the, I don't know, can I find the owner from that SD card or at least get it recycled? So I was going to say the lens is not super heavy, but on a Sony camera, it is front heavy. It is going to be front heavy. To pick it up now, but yeah, it's not the lightest. It is quite light. It is the second lightest around this kind of wide angle, ultra wide angle zoom lens. Is lighter than Nikon, Canon, but Sigma had just not long ago released one that just made for mirrorless camera. It's lighter than this, but this is wider, so there you go. So that's it for this first log of the Sony 12-24mm f2.8 G Master Lens. I totally would really expect Sigma, not Sony, to release a ultra wide angle, ultra large aperture zoom lens. This may be a proof that how serious Sony is at their alpha cameras. Now it's your move, Sigma. I'm waiting for you guys to release a huge, ridiculous lens the size of a melon. Now I just totally make that up, I don't have any rumors at all.